Bajaj Maxima C is a three-wheeler load carrier powered by a 447cc BS4, 4-stroke, forced air and oil-cooled, CI diesel engine delivers a maximum power of 8.9 bhp at 3,400 revolutions per minute and a maximum torque of 23 Nm at 2,000 revolutions per minute. This three-wheel transport commercial vehicle can afford a maximum payload of 452 kilograms. Bajaj Maxima C comes loaded with a 5-speed manual gearbox, a handlebar steering, drum brakes and tubeless tires. The 5-speed manual transmission and dry clutch make the overall gear change and power transfer smooth. Mileage of the vehicle is 35 km per liter. Maximum speed of the vehicle is 50 km per liter. Wheelbase of the vehicle is 2,125 mm. Overall length of the vehicle is 3,230 mm, overall width of the vehicle is 1,493 mm and overall height of the vehicle is 1,818 mm. Gross vehicle weight is 990 kg and curb weight of the vehicle is 518 kg. Both front and rear brakes are drum. Front suspension is hydraulic swing arm and rear suspension is helical coil compression spring. Ex-showroom price of the vehicle is 2 lakh Indian rupee. The best part, no frequent oil topping and durable big end bearing make it go low on maintenance, taking the performance of the vehicle up by healthy margins as compared to its competitors. Coupling at rear wheel comes with heavy-duty CV shaft, just like you find in medium commercial vehicles. All these features allows the vehicle run maintenance-free for at least a minimum of 1,000 km whereas other similar vehicles need assistance after every 20,000 km. Vehicle is available in 3 body color options of red, blue, and yellow. Other features like ergonomic seat, modern instrument cluster and easy hand-operated clutch that work well to provide driving comfort. Fitted with the famous power clutch on its handlebar, Bajaj Maxima C is quite comfortable to move around the city with sharp turns and narrow streets with load full to its capacity. To ensure that driver does not feel bumps on the road and the goods don't get damaged, there are hydraulic swing arm at the front and helical coil compression spring at rear as suspension units. The twin shock absorbers with power suspension lead to lesser noise and vibrations, hence making the ride more comfortable and smooth.